everybody, I'm back for another cocktail. Today I'm going to make the French 22 martini. Why do I call it the 22?
Yeah, why?
Because it's going to have 22% more vodka.
Okay.
You know how I always add to it. It's a French martini with more vodka, so it's a French 22. And it's got more than 22% more. I'm going to have probably 100% more than what it's called for. It's called for 2 ounces. I'm going to use 4, but I'm going to call it the French 22, okay?
Okay.
So anyhow, today I went to the store. No, I didn't. I lied. I didn't go out of the house today. It's really cold out. It's probably warming up right now.
28.
It's 28 degrees. This morning when Karen got up, it was 11. And she came out here and I knew she was thinking it was cold, so I just stayed in bed for a while longer until it came up a little. I got my shout outs, just one shout out today and a couple mentions. My shout out goes to my friend Matt at the Whiskey Nerd. Matt, keep up all that whiskey stuff. I like it. I bought a bottle of cognac a couple of weeks ago and I'm going to drink it and drink it. And my honorable mentions. I got a couple of new subscribers. Adventures with M&M and the right on the mark. Right on the mark, Adventures with M&M. Give them a view and see how you like it. They might do a good job for you. They're good people. Just be out there for them. They sub to me, I sub back to them. Because that's what we do. We sub people. Okay, now today, French 22 martini. It's going to be 2022. I almost said 1922. I'm still living in the past. I don't even know. I wasn't even there then. I wasn't, because I'm the man. I'm the man. And here we go. I'm going to use 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Short video today, I guess. I'm going too fast. You can read the sign when I put it up. I'm going to put up a sign up there. And 4 ounces of vodka, as I said.
That might put hair on your chest.
It's going to put hair on something. Remember I bought all those little nips that day? I had a whole bunch of them. This is one of them. I bought like maybe 30 little nips. I don't know. I bought a lot of them. The little bottles like this. And this bottle is glued on here. But I'm just going to put a ½ ounce of Chambord, because that's what I do. I always put a ½ ounce. And then I'm going to shake it with ice. So read the sign I got up there. Read it. What does it say? Oh, I don't know what it says. I haven't done it yet. But you're going to see it when I put it up there. And, this is going to be a good one. This is going to be a good one. As Walter Brennan would say, I don't know if a lot of you people know who Walter Brennan is, but he always says, that's a good one. That's a good one. And for garnish, I got pineapple wedges here. I'm going to put the garnish in and with the umbrella in case it rains on my parade. And I'm going to taste this puppy. That's pretty darn good. French 22 martini. Real easy, not much ingredients. Try it at home, you're going to like it. And as I always say, don't forget to get your vaccination and wear a mask. Can you read it? Can you read it? Wear a mask. Say hello to your mama. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Cocktail Tony, over and out.